Hello friends, I'm Shaili Maheshwari Gupta and namaskar to everybody. And I hope you are in your best of your health and you are taking all precautionary measures of wearing mask, of social distancing as corona virus is at its peak in Delhi and in our country. And now this video which I have made is because I'm getting a lot of questions relating to earthquake, because people are now awaiting a very dangerous earthquake, they are saying, and as it has been predicted by a lot of astrologers and also like you by geologists, ki there will be a heavy earthquake, and 8.1 they are saying. So people are really worried and panicked and asking me question whether it will be or not be according to astrology. So what I'm going to say is definitely Delhi is going to be affected, and specifically I'm going to tell about Delhi in this video and Delhi and NCR. But definitely it will be a earthquake with a water-led calamity. It means both the elements again are going to play their game, that is the Prithvi Tattva and the Jal Tattva. And the period in which this is going to happen, that is between you can say 20th June to 20th July. This is a period of eclipse, and also all 6 planets are also retrograding. They are spinning backwards, like Mercury, Venus, Neptune, Pluto, and Jupiter and Saturn. They are all retrograding. So this is the time period when we can see a natural calamity, that is the earthquake, and also the water-led calamity, and Delhi will definitely get affected because of excessive maybe rainfall or flooding, etc. So what the Richter scale geologists are saying, or other astrologers are saying, 8.1. But what I sense, what according to my astrological calculations, you don't have to fear. Yes, there will be earthquake, and but what I tell you is 6.5 above till you can 7.5. So definitely it will be not that devastating like we had previously seen the calamities in previous years, the Kedarnath tragedy and all. But it will be definitely, there will be a significant damage. And also you can just I can just see the problem happening in south of Delhi more. So because of the mix of these calamities, due to the mix of these calamities, south of Delhi can be affected more, and also the other parts of Delhi too, and NCR too. But it's more or less what I can sense, south of Delhi getting affected more. And definitely this period can be what I just told you, from this fortnight 20th June to 20th July, but it can also extend till the last week of August or the first week of September, because mostly I have seen, according to the astrological analysis, from mid-May to the end of August, or maybe till September, first week of September, all the northwestern areas of India, and especially the Kashmir, Haryana, Punjab, and the total Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh and definitely Rajasthan, and also the parts of Delhi areas getting affected with this. As we are being in this video more Delhi specific, so I also have to see Arvind Kejriwal's oath taking horoscope. So according to his oath taking horoscope, his dashas and all, which will definitely personally also affect him, but we are now only concerned with Arvind Kejriwal's oath taking horoscope, what will be his decisions, his policies, and what will the ruling government will take decisions. So this is what I am getting according to the his oath taking horoscope is like, even though like I have predicted like these natural calamities, earthquakes and etc., a water-led calamity which I am telling you till the first week of September. But for Delhi people, for Delhi and NCR, the problem is continuing. The problem actually is continuing to trouble people of Delhi till third week of December. And however, after like 30th June also, the damage seems to be quite worrisome. So you will say why like after 30th June the damage seems to be more worrisome, because on 30th June is an important date, and it's an important transit date actually according to astrology, where Jupiter is retrograding back into Sagittarius. So which is the 8th lord of Arvind Kejriwal's oath taking horoscope, and the natal 8th lord transiting into the 8th house, that actually doesn't seem to augur very well. कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा उसमें, any untoward event can take place. So within this period which I told you of 20th June till 20th July, and after the 30th June itself, the probability of damage and of people suffering starts after 30th June. So what I feel like, though the larger date which I had given is still maybe the last week of August or the first week of September, but still this is also a crisis time period from 20th June to 20th July, and especially also according to astrological calculation, it is actually starting from 18th June, and also this time period till you can say 24th, before 3 days after the eclipse also, that is also a little problematic. So what I feel the ruling government has to really take very balanced decisions, because in Delhi one issue after the other will be actually in the hands, in lot of issues in fact will be on the hands of the ruling government. So एक चीज़ ख़त्म होगी तो दूसरी चीज़ शुरू होगी, जो हमारी कंट्री के साथ भी अभी हो रहा है. We are fighting, see the peak of coronavirus, how the cases are spreading, it's a community spread. We are fighting for this, and plus we are also fighting in LACs also, like whether it is Nepal, whether it is China or Pakistan. So हम घिरे हुए हैं अभी problem से. So in that case, I feel as it's a very difficult phase for our country and for us definitely. So we should actually take all the precautionary measures, and we should stay safe. And because as the coronavirus is also spreading, we should take all the safety measures relating to wearing mask. I request everyone to wear mask and keep social distancing. And this was that much relating to what people were asking me about the earthquakes. So I feel I had given a good answer to your all questions. And there was one more thing I wanted to share apart from the natural calamities and the earthquakes or the water-led calamities. And Delhi people facing one issue or the other. So there is also, according to the horoscope, from 20th June till mid of Feb, there can be some untoward incident. That is till mid of the Feb. There can be some untoward incident that could happen. There can be a loss of loss of senior leader in fact. So it can be of Congress or BJP. And more so from the Congress, but doesn't rule out it can be of BJP too. So it can be natural death or an assassination. So basically. And also because as Mercury is retrograding, is transiting into the air sign Gemini, and Gemini is a dual nature air sign. So viewing this, there can be also a problem of some air tragedy. So like it can be relating to any like something, possibility of a airplane crash or something like, or maybe air travel or something like that. So like these are the things which I wanted to tell you, apart from all these things, like so I feel like whatever it is destined according to the planetary positions. And the thing which I want every person, like don't lose hope, faith, because even when there is darkness, after darkness there is always light. So be positive, be optimistic, and this shall too pass.